Hello, this is Eric of NotBio Studio and welcome to my test of the Fujifilm X-S20 camera, and this is an upgraded camera for this studio, and you might notice the microphone as well. And if you haven't already, check out the review of the Sennheiser MKH50, and that is my audio mic for this channel now. What an improvement. Now, I don't know what your thoughts are on this camera, but future-wise, we are getting a pro lens for this channel, so don't forget to subscribe and not miss out on future reviews, such as how do you like a microphone with internal recording that is at least cheap as the Rode Wireless Me. Yes, you heard me, internal recording at the same price as the Rode Wireless Me, with not one but two microphones with a UV cleaning light as well for sanitizing. Yeah, super good price, and you don't have to pay an arm and a leg for internal recording options. So stay tuned for that and future reviews. And if you want to know more about this Fujifilm X-S20, I will try to remember to leave links in the description and pinned comments as I do future reviews. Not all these reviews will be on this channel. I have two different channels. This is my small one, so if you want reviews like this about this camera on this channel, make sure you let me know. And the best way to let me know is send people over, share this video, and keep this channel growing. This is Eric of NotBio Studio. Thanks for watching and have yourselves a most wonderful day.